Hey everyone, it's time to stay organized. We've been using that word a lot, and we've been talking a lot about 10 frames, and when we draw our dots, we stay organized. This time I'm going to use something that my daughters and I love playing with. Legos! So I've got some Lego characters, and I'm going to show you how to stay organized. And families, this is a great way for you to see that your child is staying organized when they do their counting. It will also help them when they do their math. If they're not going to draw the dots, they can set up little characters or paper clips, whatever you have around the house, and then they can move them away. In teaching, we call those math manipulatives. At home, I call them really groovy Legos that we can use to count. All right, so here we go. I'm going to start with the number 7. Watch how I organize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nope, it's a 10 frame. 6, 7. There we go. I've got my 7 Lego characters in an organized 10 frame. Now I can come up with a story. Well, one day there were 7 Lego characters all walking into town, and they were all dressed differently. I'm not sure why, but it was they were just having a good old time. And 3 of them decided they wanted to go into the shop to get some fresh oranges. So now I need to subtract 3 because we started with 7, and 3 of them are actually going away. I'm going to start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. How many characters did not go into the shop to get oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can also use these with larger numbers, of course, but you're going to need more space. Let's say I had 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nope, yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to leave a little space here. 11, 12. Here's a good one. There we go. 13. I've got a complete 10 frame up here. It's organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 Lego characters were wandering around Oakland, all dressed in pretty fantastic ways, doing their thing, having a good old time, and 7 of them decided to go check out Fairyland. Why not? Fairyland's pretty cool. Scrooge McDuck, I got to go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they're in a little pile over here, but I can double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many characters did not go to Fairyland that day? Well, I know that's a 10 frame, and there's 5 up here, so I'm just going to say 5, 6. 6 characters decided not to go to Fairyland. Maybe they just wanted to walk around the lake and check out some Canada geese. They're pretty cool. All right, so please do try to stay organized. And when you're doing counting, it's a great exercise to do, especially with our numbers from 10 all the way up to 20. All right, let's get away from 1 through 10 to get ready for first grade. We need to be able to compose and decompose. We need to add and subtract, and we need to really understand our teen numbers. So just practice counting, sort, organize, count in a 10 frame. The numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once you know those numbers really well, you're going to have a really great time learning in first grade because the numbers are going to start to get much larger. And if you're ready for larger numbers and you want to count out more than that, go for it. Just make sure you touch count and you're careful and you're organized. Thank you.